Okay, so the box, I already opened the box, but I haven't unwrapped the purse or anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out the stuff that's in it. And just don't pay attention to all the shit behind me. Oh, and then my camera, if it falls, it's because it's not, obviously not on something steady. Okay. Sticker. I got a 10% off Hot Topic your next in-store purchase. And first thing is wallet. Here you are, the wallet. Just a blank paper. And there's Jack and Sally. And it's like purple and black. Nightmare Before Christmas. And little paper. Wallet and zipper. There. Okay. Oh. It looks really good. Really neat. There. So there's the wallet. Purse. It's got the same emblem there. It's just a tiny, it's a like a bowling bag type purse. And there's the same emblem on the back there. And then you just clasp it open. And there's a chain if you want to carry it. And the chain doesn't have, there's no emblem or anything on the shoulder strap. And all the stuffing inside. So it doesn't really open very wide, but that's okay. There's a little zippered pocket right here. Right there. And then 2 pockets on the side. Right there. Yeah, it's like I stick my hand in. I hold. This is how deep it is. Like to where my wrist is. So it's cute. It's cute for like a night out or something. I like it. I can't wait to use it. I'll probably end up using it once the holidays are over. So I hope you liked it. Bye.